Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're into DIY projects or spend any time in a workshop, you know that having the right tools can turn a frustrating hassle into a smooth, satisfying experience. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the RYOBI ONE plus 18V Cordless Compact Router, a tool that's been turning heads not just for its price point, but for what it promises to deliver in performance and practicality. Routers can be intimidating, whether you're a beginner or someone who's been around the shop for years, but this one seems to strike a balance between approachability and capability. Priced at just $56, it's easy to think this is just another budget option, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how it handles real-world tasks, its limitations, and whether it truly earns a permanent spot in your toolbox. Let's see if this compact router is a clever convenience or a genuinely capable tool. When I first picked up the RYOBI ONE plus 18V Cordless Compact Router, I was immediately struck by how well-balanced and light it felt in my hands. It's one of those tools that just feels right from the moment you hold it, compact, ergonomic, and built with a sense of intention. As someone who works on everything from weekend shop projects to more involved trim work around the house, having a router that's easy to maneuver without sacrificing power is a game changer. The fact that it's cordless is a huge win for me. I can take it from my garage workbench out to the backyard without hunting for extension cords or tripping over wires. Just slap in a compatible RYOBI battery and I'm good to go. Whether I'm working on a deck project or tweaking some cabinetry, that freedom of movement makes a noticeable difference in how smoothly things go. One of the standout features for me is the dual depth adjustment system. The combination of macro and micro adjustments makes precision work not only possible, but actually enjoyable. I recently used it to soften the edges on a set of birch shelves I built for my home office, and the ability to make tiny incremental changes meant I could dial in the exact profile I wanted without overcutting. The base is completely clear, which gives you an unobstructed view of your cut line, something I didn't realize I needed until I had it. Being able to see exactly where the bit is in relation to your mark makes routing much less stressful, especially when you're working freehand or on tight curves. On top of that, the variable speed control lets you match the RPM to the material and bit size, which adds another layer of control. I've used it on both softwoods and hardwoods, and it's handled them all with surprising authority. Power-wise, I'll be honest, I didn't expect a compact, cordless router to keep up with the kind of workload I tend to throw at my tools. But I've used this on cabinet trim, dado routing, and even a little template work for rounded table corners, and it hasn't once felt underpowered. It delivers consistent performance, and I've yet to notice any bogging down, even when I'm pushing it through oak. The motor is also noticeably quieter than my older plug-in router, which might not sound like a big deal, but after an afternoon of use, it's something my ears definitely appreciate. And since I do a fair amount of indoor work, the reduced noise means I'm not constantly interrupting family time or waking up the dog. The vacuum attachment is a nice touch, too. It's not included with every tool at this price, but here it is, and it works well. I've used it with my shop vac, and it keeps most of the fine dust under control, which keeps my workspace cleaner and my lungs happier. Battery life has been solid. On a single 4.0 RYOBI battery, I've easily made it through a half day of intermittent routing without needing a swap. That's impressive when you consider how often you're starting and stopping during detailed work. I like that it doesn't just die suddenly, it tapers off gradually, giving you a heads up before it quits. This isn't one of those tools that drains fast and leaves you stranded mid-cut. I've used it on back-to-back weekend projects, including installing T-molding in a home bar and trimming down a stubborn kitchen cabinet door, and the power stayed consistent throughout. That reliability has earned my trust. You don't want a tool to feel flimsy when you're trimming expensive hardwood or doing finish work, and this one holds up like it belongs in a serious toolkit, even if you're just a serious DIYer like me. Now, let's talk durability. This is where things get a little nuanced. After several months of regular use, my unit still feels solid. The depth settings stay locked in, even when I'm applying pressure, and the base hasn't gotten cloudy or scratched like some plastic bases do. However, I've noticed in my own use and in conversations with other guys in my workshop group that experiences vary. A couple of guys have reported issues after heavy use, mainly with the base or motor housing cracking, so it's not exactly built like a tank. I wouldn't call it fragile, but I also wouldn't toss it in a job box with hammers and drills without some padding. It's clearly designed for DIYers and light professional use, not constant job site punishment. That said, for the typical home workshop workload, it's more than durable enough. Just treat it with a bit of care, and it should last you a good long while. Ergonomics are mostly great, but there's one thing worth mentioning. The placement of the battery and the depth adjustment knobs can make the grip feel a little awkward at times, especially if you have larger hands. I've found that during extended use, my palm sometimes gets pinched between the battery and the handle, particularly when doing upside down work on a router table setup. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something you'll notice if you're working for hours at a stretch. That said, most of my work happens in short bursts, so it hasn't been a major issue. And honestly, the trade-off for having a compact, lightweight tool is worth a bit of ergonomic compromise. Once you get used to the shape, it becomes second nature. Plus, the overall size makes it perfect for detail work in tight spots where a full-sized router would just get in the way. At $56, this router punches way above its weight class. You're getting a reliable, well thought out tool that handles most routing tasks you'll throw at it around the house. It's not trying to replace a heavy duty stationary router, and it doesn't need to. For edging, trimming, light joinery, and laminates, it's more than capable. I've recommended it to a few buddies who were getting into woodworking, and every one of them has come back, saying they're surprised by how capable it is. It's become one of those tools I don't think much about, because it just works. No fuss, no drama, just clean cuts and solid performance. If you're building, fixing, or creating in your garage or workshop, the RYOBI ONE Plus Compact Router is a smart addition. It delivers excellent value, and in my book, that's what good tools are all about. If you're ready to route smarter and not harder, it's time to power up your workshop. Don't let great tools fly under your radar. Hit that like button if this review helped, and subscribe so you never miss a cut. Stay sharp, stay creative, and keep building things that matter.